Hi, my name is Kayla Winters and I'm the proud owner of the Lunar Radiance Wellness Center, and today we are doing a mini lesson on Saucha. So Saucha is a Niyama, which is an observant of ourselves. And so Saucha is all about cleanliness. So lots of times when we think of cleanliness, we think of how we clean our spaces and our body, but it also means to purify our soul and our emotions and our attitudes even. And so today we are coming into legs of the wall pose, which is a really great pose to be able to purify and cleanse the body. Inviting your legs to come up against the wall here and gently and kindly rest. This pose is said to get rid of old age and wrinkle lines. I do practice it regularly and have yet to experience that, but we'll see. And allowing ourselves to come into a beautiful breath here, really feeling the inhale and the exhale. I am renewed. I am renewed. Allowing yourself to repeat that affirmation. I am renewed. A lot of the beauty of cleansing and purifying yourself, your space, your attitude is that feeling of being renewed without completely starting over, or stepping into a space of starting over and giving yourself that opportunity to have a new beginning. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. My light honors your light. Namaste.